Hello, hello, welcome back everyone. I'm so happy to have you back on the channel. Thanks for tuning into the Denim Redhead. Today we are doing an IPSY Glam bag versus an IPSY Glam bag Ultimate. And if you're interested in seeing what that looks like for October, then please keep watching. I actually got my Ultimate in again before my Glam bag, so I was just waiting on the Glam bag to come in. We've got the Ultimate here and the Glam bag here. So, Glam bag here. So let's jump right in. I'm gonna do Ultimate first because I feel like it's gonna be a good one. So I do have one thing in here that I did take with me on the road because it came in early and I was like, oh snap, that's really good. So let me, I have two things in here that I took with me. That's how good it is. So I took the Huda Beauty Lip Contour in Trophy Wife. So this is it here. I'm actually wearing it right now. So that's the shade, but I went ahead and outlined my lips in it, and then I used a MAC matte lipstick, and let's see, I used a MAC Bullet in Honey Love, and that's a matte on top of it. So this lip crayon is a wonderful shade, but it is pretty drying, so I feel like you need something on top of it that's a little creamier, whether that be a lipstick or a gloss, just to keep your lips like moisturized throughout the day. The second thing I took with me that's out of the box, it's right here. So I use this every day this week, and I already got compliments on it, is the Juliet Has a Gun perfume. So this is in Vanilla Vibes. So this is the size. I feel like this is, I don't know if this is the deluxe sample, but it feels pretty big. But I've used it all week. It's about half gone. So maybe it's the deluxe size, not sure. But it smells amazing. And like I said, I got compliments, so that feels like a win for sure. So that's two really great products already. And Juliet Has a Gun has amazing perfumes. I feel like, Hannah, did you get the Juliet Has a Gun perfume? I know you were wanting it, so just let me know if you got it or not. So turns out IPSY did not do the description of all the things this month. It's like they did 1 month in September and they were like, just kidding, we're not doing that again. So it's just, the theme is magic, your magic, which I love. I love anything magical, and obviously it's Halloween, so they sent this card. It has a couple of tips and tricks in here, but I just want to know what my product is typically and how much it retails for. So that's not helpful. I got the Will Powder blush from The Balm. So The Balm is a super cute brand. You can find it at Kohl's. You can find it, I don't know if you can find it at Sephora. I think you can find it at Ulta. So this is in the shade Worth the Wait. And their packaging is always super, super cute. It says it's a blush, but I feel like it's a highlight. So it just has a very shimmery finish. Definitely says blush on it. But it says, please recycle this packaging. That's great. They're very conscious of the environment. Love that. So this is Naked Cosmetics. If it's not naked, it's not natural, is what it says. But I've actually gotten these before, so I will show you what's in here. So this is kind of a common IPSY, it's really in there, a common IPSY brand. So I've gotten these little Mother Nature and Desert Sunset. I've gotten these two little eye shimmers. So it's a powder, it's a loose powder, but it's an eye shimmer, and they're very pigmented. They're beautiful. They stay on all day, but this is super cute because it's a stack. So if I have any of these that are repeats, I will put, I think Desert, whatever might be a repeat in here. But these are all packaged together, but you get 4 different ones here. So we've got kind of a blonde champagne color. We've got a darker smoky color, so you could definitely use this with any of these. A gold, and then kind of a blush. So I'm gonna have quite a collection of these if this one is not a repeat, but I do really like these. So I'll probably do a whole look with the naked set for you. Just it's all metallic, it's all shimmer, so it's gonna be, you know, a kind of fancy look, but why not? So this is interesting. I have not tried any products like this. So this is the Yensa CBD Superfood Dual Cleansing Oil. So first of all, I'm really excited about a cleansing oil because I love a double cleanse with this, and I wasn't really loving my Holy Frog double cleanse. I feel like my skin just didn't love it like I hoped it had. So This has CBD in it though, and I haven't tried any CBD products on my face. So here's hoping that it doesn't totally break me out. But I absolutely love this packaging, Holy Green. So it's THC free. It has 8 super oils in it. Let's see, calms the skin, reduces redness. I sure hope so. Fights against acne and clogged pores, restores moisture. Okay, cool. I'm definitely going to give it a try. It says apply to a dry face, gently massage, use water to reactivate, add water to activate dual phase emulsion. Rinse through with warm water. So I imagine it's going to be like pretty thick and goopy, and then you just add water and it kind of like foams up or something. So that's exciting. Well, these are some brands that I have not heard of. So like obviously we have Huda and Juliet Has a Gun, like, and the Balm are super, super common, but Naked Cosmetics, like I said, and then the Yensa I have not heard before. But Lovecraft Beauty has sent a blush palette. This looks stunning. So we've got an orange, a blush, and kind of a bronzy shade here. Loving all these blushes. The packaging is the same as well. So the shades are Athleta, Daphne, and Oscalia. Don't know what the theme is with that. But we've got a sheet protector that is sticky as well as a little mirror. But those are the shades there. We'll definitely give those a whirl. I love blush. I think it just completes any look, but I don't know the brand, so I'll let you know how the formula is. So this is actually the item that I picked in my IPSY Ultimate, so I'm really excited about it. It's the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion. It's a pore perfecting exfoliator. So it helps refine the appearance of pores, deep cleans pores, and helps smooth the appearance of skin texture. Here is the packaging. She beautiful. Okay, it's 2 ounces. I feel like this may be a full size. Dr. Brandt is super expensive. Amazing though. Everything I've gotten from Dr. Brandt, chef's kiss. It says to dampen the skin with water, massage it in for 1 minute, allow 1 to 2 minutes to activate, and then rinse well. So very quick. It says don't use more than 3 days in between. So no more than twice a week for this bad boy. I really would probably only use it once a week, but I'm excited about it. My gosh. Okay, so that's what Huda Beauty, Juliet Has a Gun, Dr. Brandt. Like, Ultimate is killing it, and I just saw some things in here that are, I think, going to take this over the top. So this is the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. She's so cute, you guys. Oh my gosh, this packaging, it just feels good. So this is a textured, kind of leathery, like, feeling packaging here. Yes. Okay, so here are the shades. So the green one here, so this is kind of an army greenish color, is Sweater Weather. Moving over is Fuzzy, Toasty, which is a nice warm color, Cuddle, Chill, and Fuzz, and Messy Bun. Messy Bun is over here, so that's your deepening shade. So I just really like this. I think it's super inspiring. We've got some warm tones, we've got some cool tones, and I just think you can make a whole lot of different looks with this. I don't have anything Dominique's Cosmetics, so I'm really, really excited to try this for you. I think I'm gonna do just a full video of like this palette, maybe this blush, or maybe I'll try the Lovecraft blush palette, and do like a whole look with this. So, and the Huda Beauty, obviously, they're sending like a comprehensive look here, and I'm really into it. One of the last few things I have here is an Air Repair Super Hydrating Eye Cream. So, I do still have the Glow Recipe one from last month's, but I think it's almost out. And I don't know that I was really loving it. You know, I guess I'm just picky about eye cream. Like, I don't know what I like. But I will definitely give this a shot. It's a much bigger size. It's half a fluid ounce, so that will last a while. This is the Vanilla Effect Instant Hand Repair Barefoot Venus Hand Cream. And boy, does this packaging look adorable. So it's got shea butter, mango seed butter, olive oil, soybean oil. I bet this smells amazing. That smells like vanilla cupcakes. Okay, I think I'm gonna put this in the giveaway. because I think you guys will really like it. Vanilla cupcakes, like no joke. It smells exactly like vanilla cupcakes coming out of the oven. It's phenomenal. It's going into the giveaway. Pile is growing. So this is the little bag that I love. So the IPSY Ultimate bag is a little bit bigger. So here's the front. And on the back it says Your Magic. So I'm absolutely keeping this. Like I said, I love magic. You can see it's pretty big in there. And it can definitely hold some things. So I love magic. I love Harry Potter. I love Hocus Pocus. I love all of it. If you guys haven't checked out my Marshall's haul, there is a Hocus Pocus story that is magical to me, so I will tag that up above, but go check out that Marshall's haul. And the last item in my IPSY is killer. So we've got the Huda Beauty, the Juliet Has a Gun, DC Cosmetics, and some Glow freaking Recipe. So those of you that don't know, I use Glow Recipe every night. I use their sleeping mask. It was in my very first YouTube video ever, which I will link up above. It is kind of my like Sephora haul jam. Like it will always have a Glow Recipe mask in it, but this is the Watermelon Glow PHA BHA Pore Tight Toner. I have not tried this. I've heard it's amazing. And this is a deluxe size, but it's still really big. And you know, kudos to IPSY for getting this in their IPSY Ultimate. Like that is what's up, and that is gonna have me continue to purchase with them. So look how cute their packaging is, you guys. It's got this like wavy kind of bottle. I can't even wait to put this on my counter. I think it's gonna be amazing. But that's the IPSY Ultimate. So normally I feel like the IPSY Glam bag beats the Ultimate, but let's check out the Glam bag and see how it did. Okay, so we definitely have the matching baggie here. I love this. Again, Your Magic. It even smells like a good plasticky leather. You know, I don't think it's, oh, look at the little pull string. I love that little touch, you know? Okay, let's see. We've got our same card here. Aha, this is telling me my products. Fantastic. So why does this one have it, but the other one doesn't? Like, I just don't understand that. Okay, so first up is the IPSY Beauty Radiant Glow Highlighter. So here's the packaging. I'm not sure I've heard of IBY or IBY. This is a deluxe sample price, but the full size is $14. So it says Get Glowing. It's an ultra fine high impact formula. Let's see how high impact it is, shall we? It's a little plastic container. Okay, there's like a very subtle, very subtle shine to it. I may actually give this to one of my employees because it's beautiful and I feel like it will pop on her skin tone better than mine. So I will definitely put that aside. But I just like a little bit more of a blinding highlight, and I think that she will like that. Oh, yay! Okay, perfect. So this is the Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. Yes, please be the right color. It's a natural light brown. I'm feeling good about that. And it is the deluxe sample. The full market value, or like the price for a full size, is $24. But this is in shade 3. I have not tried it. Look at this teeny tiny little bottle. So I think it's great that I'm gonna get to try the Gimme Brow without having to buy it. And you know, it's got the teeny tiny brush here, but I just love that, and I definitely want to try it. Like, I haven't found any brow products that I really love, so I think that will be great. This is a bubble wrapped situation. So this is the Illuminati Cosmetics Quad Palette in Enlightened. This is the full size, so it is worth $21, but it's an eyeshadow quad, I believe. Ah, this is perfect for fall. I'm absolutely loving this. So the packaging is pretty light, so I would say, you know, it's not like super luxe or anything, but those shimmers look really great. I have not, it's the Enlightened Quad Palette. I will swatch those. Okay, they feel kind of not so creamy. Let's see. Yeah, not super creamy. Okay, there we go. The mattes are creamy. All right. Looking good. Okay. So we've got a metallic here, The metallic there I feel like is almost more of a glitter topper. Like you can barely see it. And then the two mattes here. The mattes are very creamy. The glitter topper, you know, I'm not loving, but perhaps if it's wet, it will do better. I just hate having to have that extra step. Like I want it to be done for me. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, next up we have this teeny tiny, I mean, I don't even know if I call this a sample size, you guys. I feel like one of these won't even cover my face, and I also don't know if it's the right shade. So this is the Tarte Marcusia Tinted Hydrator in Light Sand. I was actually super excited about this, but this is like, this is the deluxe sample. I don't know if you can see the size of it, but it's like smaller than the size of my thumb. But it says to dot it on your cheeks, nose, forehead, and chin and blend out using your fingers. I'm gonna keep it. I hope it's the right shade. If it's not, I'll gift it to a friend. Okay, it's super thin. It's pretty orangey. I don't know, I think I might look like an Oompa Loompa with this. Yeah, we'll see. Might need to be the tannest version of myself that I've ever been in order to accommodate that. Lastly, I've got the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Rosarco Milk Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So I love Briogeo. I think it's an amazing brand. You know, honestly, the Glam bag here even has had, you know, the Briogeo and Tarte as well as Benefit. So that's like 3 for the Glam. But I think the Ultimate's gonna win, you guys. So this Briogeo, let's see. Oh, it smells kind of coconutty. But you know, I like Briogeo products. I just don't know if I'm like in love with them. I don't know if I love the way that made my hair look either. But it's a leave-in conditioner, so you know, we'll see how it goes. But overall, I would say that the IPSY Ultimate for sure won this, like hands down. The Dominique Cosmetics, the Huda Beauty, the Dr. Brandt, just the variety, like the ability to have that full look. And then, you know, I'm not disappointed with my Glam bag either. Honestly, the Glow Recipe like really sealed the deal for the IPSY Ultimate. But I am so excited. If you guys are not doing IPSY, then I have to ask you why not, and go check out. I'll link some IPSY videos up here. I'll try and link some IPSY videos down below. I used to just do the Glam bag. Now I've been doing the Ultimate and the Glam because I feel like I'm not really having to do a lot of makeup shopping or skincare shopping outside of it. Like, you know, between the two, I'm all set, and it's also giving me really fun gifts for other people. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are liking the IPSY videos. I feel like they are, you know, coming to you monthly. So subscribe, click the bell. You'll be notified every time I launch a new video. I know Natalia sent me a message that said, perfect timing. You'll be on my company on my ride home. So, hey Natalia, thanks for tuning in. But I am really getting a lot of fun out of, you know, getting to know you guys. So I really appreciate any comments. kbellabeauty, if you guys aren't following her, go check out her channel. She's amazing. Mama who loves makeup. But yeah, I just want to say hey to some of you guys, and I hope you're all doing well. And just remember, you're magic, right? So have a great day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.